Saturday. Stay home. If you do not need to go outside, why would you be going outside in this? Do not risk your life or emergency workers that would have to come out and try and get you now.
Heading to the beach. Come over here. It's about 18 degrees out. I'll film the water. That water looks really cold right now. What do you think, Dan? Yeah, I would say definitely it's really cold. And you know what? We're going in.
How should I zoom in?
The wind is incredibly strong today. And that water looks really cold. Well, it's 18 degrees today, 50-mile-per-hour winds. They said not to go outside because it was too cold. They say don't do any outdoor activities and do not run. Do not run outside because it's too cold. Well, they didn't say anything about swimming. I'm Coyote Loco, and you're watching the Coyote Loco Show.
I'm at the edge of the cliff, at the end of the road, on a sword-wearing journey that
All right, Dad. So that's how you take an ice bath. Helps you recover for runs. You know, right then you were a wrestler. You used to take ice baths. Back in high school now.
Not really.
But definitely, when you want to recover your muscles after a run or a hard workout, it's always good to take an ice bath. So you come down here at Jones Beach, right here in Wantagh, Long Island, and you go into the freezing ice water. The water out there is about 35 degrees, and there's chunks of ice floating in it. And it's 18 degrees today, but yeah. So never stop running, never stop swimming. Always inspiring. El Coyote Loco.